Hi, I'm going to show you how I make the teriyaki chicken wing. I use about a dozen 12 pieces chicken wing. I use 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 2.5 tablespoon sugar, 2.5 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and 2.5 tablespoon of ketchup. And 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Then you mix. And cover it, put it in the cooler for overnight. And I already did it, some over here. This is already did it for overnight, so I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Okay, that looks good. And do what they said, 360 right here, and for 10 minutes for each side. Okay. Okay, this is already 10 minutes, so I pull that out. Then I'm going to be turn over the other side. Okay, then I'm going to cook another 10 minutes. There you go. Okay, this is already another 10 minutes. This is all done. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, this is all done. This is how I make today the teriyaki chicken wing.